Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shytoshi just revealed this 7-day plan for Shiba Inu to hit $3. Shiba Inu news today. Recent events have sparked widespread interest in the Shiba Inu project and its native cryptocurrency. The company's founder and chief programmer Shytoshi Kusama informed the Shib army that the company's development team is working on a burn mechanism that will affect the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shib holders can't help but be giddy about the future, with the community's official Twitter account teasing yet another major update. In this video, we will talk about Shytoshi just revealed this 7-day plan for Shiba Inu to hit $3. Shiba Inu news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. A lot has happened since the Australian release of Shiba Eternity. All of this excitement and eagerness is only heightened by the latest statement made by the official account tweet. The Shiba Inu team just announced via the Twitter Space event Shiba Eternity Community Update, the official date for the global debut of the Shiba Inu collectible card game. According to the announcement, Shiba Eternity will launch on October 1st. The Shiba Inu community will celebrate the release as Download Day while simultaneously breaking the Android and iOS app stores. There was consequently a lot of excitement about the coin and the overall ecosystem. There is additional good news for the ecosystem. The development team is still putting the last touches on Shibarium, the upcoming update anticipated to debut on or about September 30th. Supposedly, this upgrade will provide scalability to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and cut gas expenses for everyone, particularly on the gaming side. Currently, the coin's value is between $0.00000957 and $0.00001230. This indicates that the currency is trading within its June price range, a less favorable period for cryptocurrencies. This price decline, which followed a progressive climb from June to August, resulted from larger market factors. The recent 0.75% increase in interest rates and the news of worsening year-over-year inflation caused investors and traders to dread. The price decreased by 25.06% from its latest peak on September 10th. Nevertheless, it has risen to the $0.00001038 price range from its bottom on September 21st. This range of prices will support the token's expected relief rally. The last decline at $0.00001192 represents the resistance. This level is critical since bulls can easily exploit any breakthroughs towards the 78.60 fib level. Since the SHIB token is based on Ethereum, its value might be affected by the Ethereum ecosystem. The current market conditions can magnify the coin's volatility, which may lead to a crash. If the larger financial markets rebound from the decline on September 13th, we can anticipate SHIB to ride the tide of recovery. Shiba Inu, one of the most popular meme coins in the world, did not make any promising price movements lately as it registered -6% growth in the last 7 days. However, with several developments happening in the ecosystem, Shib can help turn the table around in its favor. For instance, Shib Download Day for Shiba Eternity was recently announced on the 1st of October 2022. Shiba developers last year mentioned launching Shiba Eternity, a card-based game within the next year, and it seems to be true. This news was also followed by other positive episodes, which have the potential to push Shib's price upward. Apart from the launch date announcement, another important update was revealed. 5% of the total profit from the game will be used to burn Shib. This brought further joy to investors as it was positive news for long-term investors. Shib is already on a spree of burning millions of tokens daily, burned over 16 million tokens in the last 24 hours. Interestingly, another study found that 30% of Shiba Inu's investors are holding the meme coin for investment reasons with a long-term perspective. Therefore, the increased burn rate and the plan to utilize the 5% profit of Shiba Eternity give investors hope for brighter days in the long run. Though Shib failed to register any massive upticks lately, the meme coin's price did correspond after this news broke. Shib was trading at $0.00001078, slightly higher than the past 24 hours. with a market capitalization of $5,921,568,523. Interestingly, Shib's MVRV ratio also registered an uptick compared to last week. The coin's social volume followed a similar route, growing slightly over the last few days. Though the metrics and Shib's current price action do not directly indicate a northbound movement soon, considering all the community's positive developments, we can expect these burns to reflect on Shib's chart in the coming months. However, CryptoQuant's data revealed that Shib's relative strength index was in a neutral position. At the same time, its stochastic displayed that the market was oversold, which might also help Shib register an uptick sooner than expected. Whales have been interested in Shiba Inu since the meme coin unveiled its 100,595 non-fungible virtual land plot metaverse called Shiba Lands. Shiba Inu has proposed that some virtual plots in its metaverse will continue to be accessible to everyone, representing avenues, boulevards, and hubs. However, other lands will be for sale. The ecosystem developers also launched an NFT collection called Shytoshis on its decentralized exchange, ShibaSwap. The NFT sales were successful and completed in less than 24 hours. However, the sales page promises that additional NFTs will be released in the future. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu platform is working to give these NFTs more utility in cryptocurrency. They plan to develop a gaming platform where the NFTs will operate as in-game characters. In other cryptocurrency news, Shiba Inu and Block Forest are collaborating to release a series of NFTs for the 2022 FIFA World Cup. This will attract the global soccer community and strengthen Shiba Inu's relevance. In the event, the Shiba Inu officials discussed a few features of Shiba Eternity. From the discussion, the Crypto Basic learned that the game would feature over 500 cards with thousands of traits utilizing the Shytoshis. Further providing in-depth information about the Shiba Inu collectible card game, the team confirmed that Shiba Eternity would contain in-app purchases like card skins, card packs, in-game currency, XP boosts, etc. The game is not designed as pay-to-win like so many on the market, meaning that any game player from all across the globe will be able to play and win no matter how much or little money they have. Every player could compete with their base deck without having to buy any of the upgrades. In addition, the lead Shiba Inu developer has shared the game tutorial for those who don't know how to play Shiba Eternity. In addition, Shiba Inu's leadership team also has announced an exciting Shiba Eternity intro trailer contest for Shiba Inu community. Per the announcement, the one who succeeds in making a mind-blowing intro trailer for the Shiba Eternity game will be rewarded with a prize of $5,000 in Shiba Inu tokens. According to the team, the trailer will be used as the official trailer for the game. As reported earlier by the Crypto Basic, the lead developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shytoshi Kusama, announced that 5% of all the revenues generated from the Shiba Inu collectible card game would be used to burn the current gigantic circulating supply of Shiba Inu. The decision comes after Shiba Inu community forces the lead developer to burn the entire supply of Shiba Inu to impact the price of the canine-themed digital assets significantly. Shytoshi Kusama clarified that the team could not burn the entire supply of Shib as the entire supply is available on the market, and one has to invest billions of dollars in grabbing all the supply, which the team doesn't have. Therefore, the Shiba Inu team focuses on introducing burn mechanism to every aspect of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, including the much-awaited Shibarium Layer 2 solution, ShibaSwap v2, Shiba Eternity, Shib the Metaverse, etc. He further concluded his chat in the Discord with the following words. "It's funny we are working on that, but getting and burning billions of dollars is no easy task." Following all these announcements from the lead Shiba Inu developers team, Shiba Eternity has become a trending topic under the business and finance category on Twitter with 6,496 tweets. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.